All right, my beautiful friends, we have to talk. We really do. Still Monday, September 16, 2019. Let's start off with the basics. Stocks finished in the negative across the board. A lot of saber rattling going on here. The market doesn't like to hear that. When there's uncertainty in the market, two things happen, and they happen today. Dollar higher. Bond buying. I mean, none of this is a surprise to you if you follow this blog. You knew ahead of time, honestly. So let's talk about what has benefited thus far from the attack on Saudi Arabia. Crude oil, historic run today. At one time, it was up like 15%. We finished the day up about 13 and change, I believe, percent. That's pretty impressive. The entire energy sector put on over 3%. ExxonMobil 1.5%, Chevron 2.16%, respectively. What else? What else did well today? How about, let's see if you're going to be shocked to hear about this. Defense stocks. Oh yeah, higher across the board. Why saber rattling? You see how it all works? It's so simple, really, to understand these things. Now, despite the knee-jerk reaction into the dollar today and into the debt market, gold put on a nice gain. Silver put on a nice gain. I did not follow crypto too close today. I think Bitcoin finished slightly in the negative. Okay, whatever. It's volatile. So I think the real story is what's coming down the pike. Gauging. Now, I could be way off on this, all right? So I'm just going to speculate. Gauging that the stock market didn't really take a hit today that bad. I mean, the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost about 150 points or so. I don't think the market believes that a strike on Iran is imminent. Now, this could come out of left field. Maybe it would be a shocker. I sincerely hope not. I covered it in the video I did earlier today. This may be just a little blip on the radar. And I am not saying that if this is Iran or whoever did this is done. No, it's never done. And a lot of times you have to understand what's really going on underneath this. It's a rigged game. Refinery fires, bombings, ship attacks, pipeline sabotage, whatever they got to do to push crude oil up. And understand why. I mean, it's just so easy. It's the investment banks who have huge investments in crude oil. They want crude much higher. No doubt about it. So who runs the show? The banks do. If they want a refinery bombing, a refinery fire, a ship attacked, a pipeline sabotaged, well, it's going to happen. And I'm going to give you one guess at who finances it. Yeah, I know that might sound a little far-fetched to some of you out there, but no, it's actually the truth. Nothing here is real. Nothing here appears what it seems to be. If you understand that, you'll be a lot better off in life, truly. So, again, stocks finished lower today. Knee-jerk into the dollar. Knee-jerk into the debt market. Crude oil put on a historic gain today. You got gold and silver with nice gains. And I really think now it just remains to be seen. Is this saber rattling? Just saber rattling? Looks like the market believes that's all it is, at least right now. And this could change. There's no doubt about it. But I believe if the market was anticipating a strike on Iran, which would send crude oil about 20% higher than it is right now today, the moment that we would strike or anyone would strike Iran, the market seems to be shrugging it off. In my opinion, and again, I'm just speculating, I don't think the market believes the strong talk out of the president right now. I don't think the market believes it. Maybe the market will get caught off guard. I don't know. This is why I do not hold positions overnight anymore. because I don't want to deal with the stress to just, be on the completely wrong side of a trade and take a big hit to my portfolio. I'm not going to allow that to happen. And anyway, so with that said, you understand where we are. We know what we have to keep our eye on. The defense sector, is this something you want to get in here? Or, I had a lot of questions about that today. Let me cover that before I let you go. Greg, you seen defense stocks? Greg, you seen defense stocks? Yeah, I'm watching defense stocks. But again, if this is just a blip on the radar, I'm not saying it is. I'm just saying if this is just a blip on the radar and this is all going to normalize soon enough, I wouldn't want to be in defense stocks here. That's the truth. I think there's a lot better places to be, like betting against the debt, becoming your own central bank right now, maybe getting involved in trading an index or so. But if you want to sit there and pick specific stocks or the defense sector, I would say be cautious here, because again, the market doesn't believe, just gauging from the sell-off today, 152 points on the Dow to the downside isn't too dramatic to me. So anyway, let's watch it. Let's see how it plays out. And pretty much that's it. I will see you in the morning. This guy loves all of you. Please share the video.